What's up, YouTube? It is Thursday, or no, Wednesday, and it's Wednesday, January 17th today, and it is 17 degrees. It is freaking cold, man. I wanted to get out and some saddle time. I miss riding, so wanted to get some content so I can upload to my channel. But man, it's cold. Luckily, I have it's all I don't have the best winter gear, but as long as you have, multiple layers, you'll be fine. You'll be totally fine. That what you have to be more concerned about is really keeping your feet and your hands warm because I've had some gloves in the past that, oh man, yeah, my hands and feet almost froze because they weren't the best. I've gotten, over time, I've bought different type of gloves, and I think I found one that I'm pretty happy with. Um, these, for example, these are the Kemimoto, you know, heated gloves, and I chose not to insert the batteries in them today because, yeah, maybe I should have. Maybe it was a bad idea, but um, I thought maybe I could handle it. So far, I'm doing okay. I've been riding for about 15, 20 minutes now. I don't. It's I mean it's cold, but I don't feel like my fingers are going to freeze, or anything like that. I'm perfectly fine for now. Besides, I don't intend on doing a very lengthy ride. Just wanted to get some quick, saddle time and check in with you guys. So, yeah, overall, I think I'm fine. Hey, I wanted to ask you. I do have a question for you guys. Wanted to get your opinion on when you come to a stoplight. You sit there in first gear and assess the situation before you kick it into neutral, or do you automatically kick your bike into neutral to give your wrist, your back, and your neck a rest? Um, and I know that there's people that would defend either case. Um, but me personally, guys, when I come to a stoplight, um, I sit there in first gear. I look in my rear view mirrors and make sure that, that it's safe, that no cars creeping up behind me without the intention of stopping. And well, once I know that it's safe, and by that I mean maybe that car behind me and then maybe one or two other cars behind it are stopped, then yeah, I'll kick my bike into gear, into neutral. I mean, and give my wrist a rest, um, or give my back, stretch my back, my neck, whatever. Um, yeah, especially when you're riding for long periods of time, you're gonna wanna and you're gonna need to stretch. So just curious what you guys do. Um, so do you do you sit there in first gear, assess the situation, and then kick it into neutral, or do you have the habit of just wanting to automatically put it in neutral to get some rest? It's it's it could honestly it could mean it could avoid so many accidents, guys. It's better to be preventative, than not. Better safe than sorry, kind of thing. Yeah. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna. Yikes. Think at this point I'm going to maybe head home. It is pretty cold, um, but like I said, just wanted to check in and say what's up. All right, guys, I'll be signing off. You guys stay tuned and stay warm and ride safe out there. Adios.